What up, guys? Yeah, this is day 2. We're back at the shop because I had to leave my car here, as you could tell. But luckily one of them comes with a replacement and the other didn't. So we came in a little situation, called the dealer up today, and it wouldn't be until tomorrow because it's in the warehouse. So, which is annoying. I really want to get my car out and done today. So I went to the hardware store and matched up as best as I could with another bolt. It shouldn't affect it too much as long as, you know, this is like the same, because as long as it just goes through a hole, then you get the nut on the end to Loctite it. So that's basically how it goes. Hopefully, you know, it fits good, and that's why I just want my car on and it's done. So get to it, guys. Alright, what's up, guys? We're back. The car is down on the lift. We were going through a lot of complications. I had to run to the store like twice back and forth because we're trying to find a bolt that fits to the camber arm that's connected to the knuckle. It's the longest bolt there, so we went and bought one. It was kind of like the same bolt, but it wasn't the same length because I used the wrong one to match it up with. I was just mad confused and just being retarded. So yeah, I went and seen that it didn't fit. It wasn't long enough. I took the other one out and went and matched it up, but I couldn't find anything that was exact same like thickness and stuff like that. So it's a little skinnier. It doesn't fully fit like the bushing hole and all that. I'm just a little iffy about that, but I'm sending it right now because I tightened it. It's not like knocking and stuff, so that's good. There's not like a ton of play in it. But I have an OEM one that I'm picking up tomorrow. I'm gonna swap out that bolt just for safekeeping and no fuck ups. So yeah, everything's basically done. I think camber arms are tight. I tightened them. I'm gonna get them all adjusted and I'll do the fender rolling and all that, you know, later on. Get my alignment, all that shit done. Along with my sway bar bushings, because I have 15 millimeters coming. That's the stock size. Hopefully it's that. If it's not that, then it's 18 mil or something. I have no idea. I can't remember last. I have no idea what size it is. We tried measuring it, and the closest to it, it shows that it's like 7/8, 22 millimeters. But then the one I try to put on is nowhere near. I appreciate you guys for watching. As always, we're 1,000 subscribers, almost at 1,100. Keep that support up. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for more. Peace.